Hi guys, this is Joy. Once again, you are welcome back again to Joy Kitchen BCN. In today's video guys, I'm going to be sharing with you how to trim and decorate Bible cake. Let's get started. The first thing is this step. Doing this, it will make your cake not to be moving. Once I am done with this guys, I'll go ahead and give it a little trim from the first. Essence of trimming your cakes like this is when you put the second one, it will really balance without having gallops. So I will place the little one and will use my hands to adjust it. So the next thing, I will put a line at the middle. You know there is no Bible without a lines like this. So when you are doing this guy, make sure you take your time, don't be in haste, so that you can really get a Bible shape. And when you are trimming this Bible guys, don't be in rush. If the trimming is not perfect, for you to correct it might take you more time. And to all my returning subscribers, from the bottom of my heart, I appreciate you all. And if today is your first time of coming across this channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Be a part of this humble family, so that whenever we upload a new video, you will be first to be notified. And we are uploading soon again. And then help me to share the video in all your platforms. Guys, can you see that we are almost there? So without being told, you can see that this is already a Bible shape. So I'll go ahead and do some filling with fondant, so that the place I joint the cake will not be seen so much. Once I am done again, I will also use the cream also to do the covering of it. And if you are interested in knowing how I make this cream, it's called royal icing. This is quite different from butter icing. So this one is really pure white, and you can use it for cake filling, you can use it for roses, you can use it for so many other things, and I will be demonstrating a little of it for you. And you can add any colors to it. So I will allow it to dry for 10 minutes before I will apply my fondant. And if your fondant is too hard, you can take it to microwave for 3 seconds. That is exactly what I have done now. So now is a bit softer. So I'll use my roller pin to spread it. Make sure it's not really too thick and it's not too light. At this point, it's perfectly okay. I will take it straight to my cake. I will go ahead and use hand to adjust it. So once I am done guys, I'll now use my cake smoother to smoothen the cake. When you are decorating cake guys, this cake smoother goes a long way. So once I am done with that guys, I'll go ahead and take up the excess from the edges. At this point, it's perfectly okay. I will only go ahead and smoothen it the more. So I'm trying to create a Bible lines. Do you know there is no Bible without Bible lines? And if you don't have this I am using, you can as well use your fork. It will also give you the same result. Can you see how it looks like? You can as well get this one from a cake shop where they sell cake things. So I am done. So this one that you are also seeing, you can as well do this one in a cake shop. That is the place I know in a cake shop. So I'm using this one for 2 cakes. The pantry is for other different cake that you are going to be seeing the video soon again. So I will only trim these written ways. This is what I need, and the cross for this particular cake. Can you see how it looks like? So when you get to a cake shop or a cake house, you can tell them to print anything printable for you. It might be Bible verse or anything, or it can be pictures. They will do that for you, and you will pay the price also. So putting founders at the down of it is very necessary in order for it to really relax when it is placed on your cake. I'll go ahead and do the same thing to the cross. And if you don't want it this way, you can as well design the cake, you can as well design the cross yourself with that same cream that I showed to you. You make it more lighter. At this point, I am done. So this is the cream I was also using to do the filling. I'll use the same cream also to do the decorating of the cake. Can you see that this royal cream goes a long way? As I earlier said, I will put the link for you of how to prepare this royal icing cream for your cake decoration. And over there, I explain more. So whenever you want to decorate your cake, you first of all try it in a different place, not just your cake direct, and see if what you want to do, that is what you are saying. So now that I am satisfied, I will go ahead and decorate my cake just like this. And once you are doing the cake decoration, make sure that you always clean the tip of it so that it can get a better result. Please, if you have not yet liked this video, go ahead and like the video. And if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and do so. And leave your comment below. How do you see to this cake? Do you love it? Did I do a nice job here? Go ahead and leave your comments. So at this point, I need a touch of blue. So this is exactly what I'm going to be doing. Give it a line. So I will mark this 3 times before I will go and put the royal icing in the piping bag. So you can use any color of your choice, or depends of the cake you are decorating. I cut just a little oven paper to do this, and you can as well do this straight to your cake, but I prefer I do it this way. In case if I am not satisfied, I can easily take it off. So the blue I just marked in your present. Can you see how it looks like? And if you are interested in making this kind of roses, you can also let me know in my description box below, and I will make a video on how to make a roses like this. So at this point, I'm going to be working with green. Can you see that this royal icing is really wonderful? It can serve for you for so many areas, and you can turn this white to become any color of your choice, and the end result is amazing. So I'm doing flower at this point. I'm doing leaf. This is leaf. I am done. Guys, do you like what you are seeing? If you like what you are seeing, please go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Like the video. Help me to share the video in all your platforms. Wow. So clean and nice. Well looking. So thank you for watching. I will see you soon again in another satisfying video. Bye bye.